Start by measuring the width of the shoulder pad area. Here it is 3.5 inches and you can use 3 inches. Here we are using a double half-inch height pad. Mark out the 3 inches width directly on the pad. Next, measure the length from the shoulder seam to the front and towards the back. We have 5.5 inches here. Mark half of that from the fold on the pad and cut it out. Use this cutout as a guide to trim the remaining pads to match. Now, using the curved shape of the pad, cut out your fabric cover just like I am demonstrating here. We are to stitch around the curved edge as shown. At this stage, it's starting to look like a mini pie. Overlock the raw edges to keep it neat. Place the pad on the wrong side of the dress. Pin it in place at 3 key points. You can then go ahead to hand stitch these or go in with your sewing machine. I am using my sewing machine here. Just like that, the shoulder pad is installed. On my right is shoulder without a pad, and on my left the padded one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.